If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making CHENA BOONDIA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves in 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about half a teaspoon of that. A quarter cup of refined flour or maida, then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now take about half a cup of chena in a bowl. Into that add the ghee, refined flour, salt and the powder. Then combine this really well first. Then add about half a cup of water and make a thin batter. So if you need more water, you can add that. Now take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then using a skimmer, pour the droplets of batter into the hot oil. But remember, do not add too much of it, else they will stick to each other and will be hard to remove. So once they are all fried, remove them to a bowl. Then in another pan or a saucepan, add the sugar along with 2 tablespoons of water and bring that to boil till all the sugar dissolves. Then to that add all the fried bundi and coat them really well. And after a couple of minutes, switch off the flame. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, CHENA BOONDIA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.